like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love
Hey babes, today I am with Sabira.
Hi.
So introduce yourself, who you are,
Okay.
who you is.
Who I be? Okay.
Yeah.
So my name's Sabira Ismail and I am currently the Community and Welfare Officer at Bradford Students' Union.
Yep, and we came to Slay today, so I wanted to do Sabira's makeup today. To be honest, I've done her makeup before for Black History Month last year. I had grey hair back then. I miss it. I really miss it.
Literally, I was so excited for him to do my makeup. It was unbelievable. I was like, oh my god, Marc's doing my makeup. So he came and he was like, oh, I want to do the makeup. I was so gassed. So excited.
Thank you so much. But this is the makeup look that I did in Sabira, so enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I'm first going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange to color correct under Sabira's eyes. Now Sabira doesn't like to color correct anywhere else, so this is the only place that I color corrected out of her choice. And now I'm going to blend that in with my toothbrush brush. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Luminous Foundation in New Guinea mixed in with my Illamasqua Skin Base in SB16 to get that warm, toned look to Sabira's skin. And now for the highlight, I'm going to mix in LA Girl in Beautiful Bronze and also the corrective yellow shade, because if you have dark skin and you're finding it so hard to find a highlight color, mix in your shade concealer with a corrective yellow concealer and honestly, it will bang. It will not look ashy. It will look so nice on your skin. Now I am baking with my Sasha Buttercup powder mixed in with my Becca Cocoa powder to get that right tone of highlight for Sabira's skin. Just baking on the usual places as well, forehead, cheekbones, under the cheekbone as well. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using my Illamasqua Brow Gel in Stare, and I just love to use creams. That's just my go-to product for the brows. And I'm using a Illamasqua brush for this, and I'm creating a sort of ombre faded look as well. Now I'm going to take the corrective yellow LA Girl concealer and just carve in the brows. Now I'm going to be using Morocco from Makeup Geek and blend that into the crease. My favorite transition color has to be oranges. Hands down, I just love a burnt orange into the crease. Now, Sabira wanted me to show her how to use the Naked 2 palette because she has this and she's finding it hard to use some of the colors, so I showed her a look which she can do as well after this video. And what I'm doing now is just setting my brow bone with Foxy and blend the orange up onto the brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking the rose gold shade, which is called YDK, and apply that into the inner half of Sabira's eyelids. And then take Half Baked, which is such a nice gold, and just apply that to the outer half of the lid. I wanted a really metallic look. And Urban Decay is just really good for metallic eyeshadows. Now going into my chocolate bar palette from Too Faced, I'm taking the deep brown shade and punching that into the crease. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Double Flick Eyeliner. I'm doing a thick line. I am doing a big wing for Sabira because she's got a lot of lid space. She can handle it. She can handle all that eyeliner. For the inner corner, I am just going to use my YDK eyeshadow just to brighten that up. And now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Rodeo Glamour Lash Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras, and Sabira is already wearing her grey contact lenses. For lashes, I'm going to be using these small pair of Top Mink lashes. For the rest of her face, I wanted to really even it out, so I'm going to be using the Barry M Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit and using the middle shade just to buff over the skin because I want her skin to look one and marry with each other, just because I think it needed that. And then I'm going to be using the deeper contour shade just at the end. So to really contour those cheeks. Sabira has amazing cheekbones. So I didn't really need to do much of this at all. Oh, it is so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Oh, look at her. She's feeling it. She's feeling the contour. She's so gassed. I love it. Now I'm just lightly contouring her nose. She doesn't really need it that much, so I'm just applying the lightest layer of nose contour with a little bit of a highlight. Ooh, she going in. Now I'm gonna be using my Sasha in Burnt Orange as a blusher, just because, yeah, I just love orange. It's one of my favorite tones for makeup. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is a new product that I have and I absolutely love it. It was popping on Sabira's dark skin, and I also applied that onto the nose bridge and also a little bit on the Cupid's bow as well. For the lips, I mixed in two colors, Coloured Rain and Truffle Rain, and as you saw, I was very clumsy with it, as per usual, and I mixed it in with Candy K by Kylie Cosmetics to get that perfect nude going for Sabira's skin. Now to darken the lip line a little bit, to get that division from the skin to the lips, I'm using Barry M No. 6 lip liner. Y'all know the final step has to be that sealer, that Urban Decay setting spray. Spray loads on our skin. So guys, this is the final look. How do you like it?
I love it. Like, honestly,
okay?
guys, you know, the thing is, all I want to do is go like this.
Hey.
Like the angles and the highlight is just mad. It's just.
We've tried a new eyeliner technique on her eyes as well. So this is the final look, you guys. Sabira absolutely loved it, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel because it's so easy and you get notified on new videos. If you like me doing makeup on other people, just definitely let me know, and I love you. Bye guys.